Okay, I want to look at the pentatonic scales that I have in Interval Matrix Pro. So I'm in A. We're going to start with the minor pentatonic. Everybody knows this scale, but it's the root note, the minor third, the perfect fourth, the perfect fifth, the flat seven, and the root note. So now that was a Shawn Lane sequence that he liked to teach, and this one we're gonna ascend 3 strings, but then this note right here, this fifth, we're gonna hit this with our second finger, and that sets our first and third finger up to be able to hit this right here, and then right here. It's all about mapping where you're about to go. Now, I was picking all that. A secret that Shawn would do, a lot of times he would use legato, and then he would snap that high note. So, and if you notice, I doubled up my fingers on that one. And sometimes he would do that. Let's look at the major pentatonic here. So this one, I have the 1, the 2, the 3, the 5, and the 6 and the 1. So I've got to go from here to here. So I want to use my second finger and pinky. I want to try to always give each finger its own fret whenever possible. Now, and I'm looking at traditional scale shapes, of course, but here we have. Now, the relative minor, as I've discussed before, is your 6. So if we go back here, here's your 6 right here, but you count 1, 2, 3 frets back. So if we're in A major, 1, 2, 3, F sharp is your relative minor. So if you're playing an A chord, you could play that F sharp minor over top of that. And if you notice, it's the same exact scale. All right, and then we have pattern, this would normally be pattern 2 of the minor pentatonic, but it's pattern 1 of the major pentatonic. Now, let's look at the next one in line. So here we're going to go to the dominant 7 pentatonic. This one's not that widely taught, but I've been teaching it for a number of years. But this one we have, instead of a minor third, we have a major third. It's got a very distinct sound. It's a 1, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a flat 7. Now, a 1, a 3, a 5, and a flat 7 gives us what? Dominant 7 chord. So this one really accents that chord, and it is, see, your arpeggios or your chords are inside your scales. So if I wanted just a flat out dominant 7 arpeggio, 1, 3, 5, flat 7, 3, 5, flat 7, 1, 3. And then I have this scales to chord comparison here, so check this out. Let's go to 7th chords, and we're going to go to dominant 7, okay? So if you notice, I can switch. So here's the scale. Now notice the colors. So the only difference that I'm seeing color-wise is we had the 4. Yeah, because the 7th chord is a 4-note chord. So if we eliminate the 4, then right there we have a dominant 7 chord. So we're just adding in a 4 basically over a dominant 7 chord just to add a little flavor. So. I love that scale. And again, there's my chord right there. Or I could just play a major chord, you know. So here's my scale. All right, let's look at the next one. The Hirojoshi. Yes, the Japanese pentatonic. I love this scale. So we can finger this a couple ways. I like to go like this. So, and a 5. Now, this works over a minor chord. it's also got a sharp 5 too. So. Really cool sound, and now that's going to work over a minor chord, but yeah, the 1, the flat 3, the 5, and the 1. So, it's a different, most people are going to approach that with, what if I wanted to? Very different approach. That's the key. That's exactly it. You want to be unpredictable. And what I want you to do, and part of the Shawn Lane method, is we want you to be original. Don't try to sound like everybody else. Be yourself and have unique sounds and explore the instrument. Do different things with the instrument every single day that you've never done before. That's the beautiful thing about this. And this is why I love this app. It's Interval Matrix Pro. It's on the Apple Store, and I'm still looking for Android testers, y'all, and they get it free for life. So just send an email to intervalmatrixpro@gmail.com. And as of March 19th of 2026, I still need Android testers, and then it'll go live in the Android store. Okay, this next one is the Kumoi scale. It's another Japanese scale. So this one, it looks like we have a 1, a 2, a flat 3, and then a 5. I have actually heard Shawn use that a lot. And man, I'm exploring with you guys. I'm just opening up random scales in this app and random keys. And that's the beautiful thing about this. And also, I could open this up on a piano or mandolin or banjo. I can't play those instruments, but man, I sure can play that scale on there. So, that's actually really cool. Now, chord-wise, I need a 1 and 3, 5 to make a chord, right? 1, flat 3, and a 5. So again, a minor. So you don't have to play, all the time. You don't have to just. That gets old, man. What if I wanted? I'm just trying to help you get some different melodical ideals, folks. The Raga Mulkins. I've never played this in my life, I don't think. But it looks like, actually, I have. This is just part of the minor pentatonic, actually. So this would be the F major pentatonic, or the or D minor pentatonic. So a lot of these scales actually have different names because of different cultures. That is their scale. Here's what we have found as musicians. When the European musicians, if you're from a European descent, when they would go around the world discovering other cultures, we would get together, they would get together with other musicians, and music is a language, So what we have found in almost every single culture in the world is there is a very similar pentatonic scale, because that's just where the ear naturally wants to lend to. There's no dissonant tones in a pentatonic, whether it's India or China, Japan, whatever. Anywhere in the world, we have a very similar shared minor pentatonic sound, and even a major scale. And that's the one common denominator, and that's the great thing with music is you can pick up an instrument and play it with anybody anywhere in the world. Interval Matrix Pro, this is an amazing app, y'all. There's a 3-day free trial. If you want to get further into learning, skool.com/Shawn Lane. It's SKOOL.com/Shawn Lane. And right now, I have brought it back down to $29 per month or $300 for the entire year. And you're going to get that permanently if you sign up now. And it will go back up, but I'm trying to get more members. I'm trying to get some traction going. And we do have 30 members right now. And I want to get it up to over 100. I want a lot of people participating, talking about Shawn and just guitar in general, music in general. Anyway, I love you guys. Thank you for your support, and like and comment, subscribe, all that good stuff if you haven't done so already. I'm Jimmy Hudson. I approve this message.